Every day in a depot, everywhere in the world, buses, trams, metro are fully cleaned and disinfected against bacteria and coronavirus by dedicated and well-trained staff. Bars, handrails, doors, buttons, seats, windows are part of a strict protocol to guarantee for all passengers and drivers very good sanitary conditions. We have engaged with proven and specified suppliers on that field, international laboratories and national health organizations, to test and implement today and tomorrow solutions. Alstom is fully committed to provide continuous improvement to operators on all these solutions.